My name is Adam Lancaster. I am the founder of Stitch Real Estate, and we are a non-conventional real estate brokerage house. Overall, I'm terrible at marketing. I'm a sales guy, and I've always felt like YouTube was at the top of the supply chain per se when it comes to marketing, that everything, all of the messaging and everything else funnels down from there, and I just had to come and find out for myself. You can expect a lot of hard work, honestly, but a lot of collaboration, a lot of networking, a lot of understanding of what your business actually is, what you're offering, and who you're selling it to, and hopefully a better understanding of how to go approach your market. The thing that was the most impactful to me was really dialing in my messaging, my offer. I don't know that I actually understood my own business as well as I thought I did. And being able to walk away with a much more clear and concise way of setting a hook, grabbing attention, and landing a client essentially is something that will be really valuable to me going forward. We felt like it would be a slam dunk, honestly. So love everybody that we've met so far on the team. Really good to work with, really high value add, but also just a cool vibe and a really good culture of kindness and respect and what's best for you. Loved collaborating with the other members of our group. Certainly have already gotten phone numbers and Instagrams of multiple of the other members of our group and hope to be able to continue those relationships. My favorite part is the outcome. It wasn't natural for me and it was kind of painful. And honestly, on the end of day one, end of day two, both nights, I debated not coming back because it was so painful for me. But the outcome is going to far outweigh the pain that we went through and hopefully yield really great results for us. Definitely glad we stuck with it. And I've got a few people in mind already that I'll take back and hopefully they'll be here next time.